ahead and start the glue up. Now I am going to go back through with my belt sander afterwards to make sure all the edges are uniform and smooth, because I freehand cut all these arches. There's a few that are a little funky, but that can all be fixed on my sander. So we're gonna just start dousing this thing with wood glue and slowly start to sandwich all of these pieces together. I'm gonna go right up here. You start to just push down on it. My big thing is making sure it's like even pressure and I'm not adding too much more pressure. So as soon as I was done doing this whole clamp up, I realized I made a mistake. And it was a mistake that I had thought about going into this whole situation, and just slowly move it back and forth. Now I'm not using any steam from the iron itself. All the moisture is a result of the slightly damp rag that I'm using.